Today I'm going to show you how to make an absolutely delicious leftover dish with your Thanksgiving dinner. Here I have some turkey meat, and this is some dark meat and white meat with some fresh rosemary and thyme that I used to garnish it. We've got some peas and carrots. We've got some leftover mashed potatoes, some gravy, and also some cornbread that I used to make my cornbread stuffing. The first thing we're going to do is to melt 2 tablespoons of sweet cream unsalted butter in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. This is on high heat. When the butter is all melted, we're going to add our turkey to our pot. And lower the heat to medium-high. I used some hot water to dissolve the gravy that we had, and now I'm going to pour this into the turkey. The peas and carrots are all done in the microwave, so now I'm going to add about half of the package to the pot. Looks so pretty. I lowered the heat to medium-low, and now we're going to add our mashed potatoes, and our mashed potatoes are going to add or act, I should say, as a thickening agent for our delicious pie. Now, if your turkey mixture thickens too quickly after you add the mashed potatoes, just add a little hot water. If you don't have the hot water available, just add some, regular tap water and mix it in. So you want a nice creamy consistency because this is going to bake in the oven for a little while. And now that my turkey filling has cooled down for a few minutes, it's time to top with cornbread. Before baking, I'm coating the exposed areas of the cornbread with some rich, delicious Kerrygold butter, and I want it to stay nice and moist on the inside, but I do want it to get a golden brown and crispy exterior. I had the turkey cornbread pie in the refrigerator covered overnight, so I brought it to room temperature. Now I'm going to pop it into the oven 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. I will check it at the 15-minute mark and see how it's doing. So I do want it to get a little more crunchy on the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spin this around, give it a halfway turn, and put it back in for 5 minutes, and then we'll check it again. Now it's time to cut into our lovely turkey cornbread pie, and let's see how this looks. It's gonna fall all over the place. Oh, nice. I don't care if it falls apart. It's gonna taste great. It's that time, guys. Get some crunchy cornbread, piece of turkey, peas and carrots. You have to try this. It is delicious.